Let's do this. Go to the wrench, go to add text and make a big text on your photo. Then duplicate that text layer, go to the bottom one, click edit text, select your text, and then switch it to a dark color. Now you're going back to the layer menu, click that text and then click Rasterize. Now you can go to the magic wand and use Gaussian blur to blur this layer and create a nice shadow effect. Then click the top layer, use merge down to merge these two layers, and then select mask. We'll use the technical pen, but you can use any brush, set it to black. I'm turning it up to 100% and then mask parts of your text. Then switch back to white to paint some of the text back in and to refine the edges. And that's it! Have fun adding text to your photos.